Hello beautiful people, good day to you all. Welcome to Chef Recipes. In today's video we are going to make a fantastic recipe, and that is homemade strawberry ice cream recipe. So that's what we are going to make in today's video, so you stay tuned to the end of this video. Thank you. So welcome back to this video. If today is the first time of coming to this channel, you're welcome. I'm Mary Ann Naji. I'm the host of this channel, and if you're a returning viewer, you're also welcome back to this channel. If you have been watching and you are yet to subscribe to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please click that red button there that says subscribe, and at the same time remember to click the bell beside it, so that whenever we upload any new videos you get to be notified. That's the essence of clicking the bell. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive into the video. So right now you can see all we have here is 4 ingredients only, and this 4 ingredients is just 1 cup of our heavy cream, that is whipped cream, chilled one, because if it is not chilled you can't make the ice cream, so it must be chilled. And also we have our half cup of condensed milk. We also have our 1/4 cup of our strawberry puree. We also have some food coloring. Then the fruit there is just for decoration. I used it to make the puree anyway, but it's for decoration. So all we need to do is to add our heavy cream and whip it. When you keep, because it's chilled, that is why it will rise to this extent, but if it is not chilled it won't even rise at all. So that's it. Then when it's thick like this, it has risen to this form, you can stop if you wish, but I whip it till I'm sure I'm done with it. So after whipping it, what do? We add in our condensed milk, half cup of our condensed milk. Then we add in our puree, strawberry puree, and also our food coloring. I just had to drop some color in there. So after dropping it, then nothing else, you whip till you are sure it has become the way you want it, as in it has incorporated very well, and you can see how smooth and how it is. Then you can now stop whipping if you wish, and that is it. You see, there is no big deal in this. So I hope you are enjoying this video, and please, I would like you to comment below the comment section to let me know what you think about this recipe. If there is something you want to add to it, or our next recipe you want me to make in our next video, let me know below the comment section. I will appreciate it the more. So right now you can see I have whipped everything and it has incorporated very well. You see how the color is, man. This is so sweet. In fact, you cannot, I don't know how else to explain this. You need to give it a try. I don't need to say it. There are some things you can't say. So I'm transferring the ice cream into my small bowl that I want to use it to pop into my freezer so that it will get chilled. Then we can now enjoy our ice cream recipe. So when I'm done with this, all I did was I popped it into the freezer and I left it there overnight. Yeah, I left it there overnight, and that is it. That is all you have to do. You have no much deal, as no big deal here. All you have to do is just to gather your ingredients and let the ingredients be in the right temperature, and you are there. You see how easy it is without any ice cream maker. This ice cream is eggless. Yeah. It's so fantastic. You see how it is. So please, if you like this video, give me a like, a thumbs up. Support this channel by subscribing, and at the same time be a big fan of this channel. Let's become one family. Now you can see I'm done. Everything is ready. It have stayed overnight and I popped it out. You can see how it is. Wow, so yummy. You see how it is, so yummy, 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 yummy. And that is it. Please, I would like to hear your response in the comment section. And please, 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 please share to your loved ones. Share to people you want them to see this video. Food lovers, those you know that love food very well, that love eating, everything. Please share to your loved ones. Share to every social media you feel like you can share to. Thank you for staying tuned, and I love you all. Thanks for your support. Those who have supported me for so long, I'm so grateful. I will never fail you. It's because of you guys that I'm here. So thank you for staying tuned, and I'll be glad to see you on my next video. I hope you are ready. Please let me know below the comment section. Thanks and bye.